We are in Goa, but we have a lot of work to do, yaar. You can leave Bangalore, but Bangalore can never leave you. I'm carrying my laptop and we are now heading out to a cafe to get some work done.
But aren't you unemployed?
Even unemployed people need to pretend to work, okay? Look at this really cute mirror. Today Shefali's outfit is too good, bro. So Bobby's, we've come to Benno's. Here's everything that we've ordered, Bobby's. Egg white omelette with some poi bread. Shefali's gotten a plain butter croissant with eggs benedict. And for our drinks, I've opted for an iced Americano. Shefali's gone for a watermelon juice. If Shefali doesn't get breakfast on time, she usually gets a headache.
If I don't eat for a long period of time, I get a headache.
Time to give the eggs benedict a shot. If a restaurant can do a good eggs benedict, then you know that they know what they're doing. Crispy bacon,
Yeah.
nice hollandaise sauce. It's house-made hollandaise, tastes great. It's time to try this egg white omelette. I've already had a scoop of protein. घर पे prepared था मैं. Here it is. It's a little gooey on the insides, and that's how I like my omelette. I can taste a lot of butter though. They're not holding back on the butter, guys. Restaurants put in extra love, and by love they mean butter. Bobby's, there's also like a pop-up here from All Things Sweet. They do cookies and marshmallows. Guys, look at the happiness on Shefali's face. She got her cookies and marshmallows, and that really makes her happy. Nothing can make her happier than sweets, huh?
That is true. Like a good dessert is like a 10 on 10. Changes my mood instantly.
Now, what's a trip to Goa without a dip in the beach? I could have been a lot leaner on this trip. I could have been a little shredded, but it's fine. We'll work with what we have, Bobbies. It's not like I'm fat. It's not like anybody who's looking at me right now will ever know that I used to be fat. Can somebody let me know in the comments what birds these are?
They're so cute.
They are. But I think you'd freak out if it came and sat on you.
Yeah, definitely. So the waters are way closer today.
Yeah, the waters are a lot closer to the shore today. Also, probably because it rained yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Last night it rained. But if anything, the rain is actually making Goa look prettier. थोड़ा और pollution कम हो गया, हवा में थोड़ी और नमी आ गई. I liked that. So Bobbies, we're gonna sit here for a while now. It's called Zumbrai. And here's the view from where we are seated. Just look at that blue waters, man. Wow. Dogesh bhai, कैसे हो? Shake hand करोगे? अरे? Dogesh bhai, full heavy यार. Chef? Have you ever done shake hand with a dog?
No,
Come do then. I can't believe you never shook hands with a dog.
but I don't want to.
Dogesh bhai, madam ko bhi shake hand. Urre, Dogesh bhai. That's crazy. Will you let me pat? Can I pat? I'm scared to pat Dogesh bhai.
Why? They don't like it.
He's not given permission.
Dogesh bhai give permission.
Dogesh bhai, Shefali says give permission. Acha, that's permission. Thanks. I got to play cricket with the locals, which was a fun experience. उन्होंने मेरी bowling देख के मेरे को ले लिया. अगर मैं बोलता कि मैं बैट्समैन हूँ तो चांस नहीं मिलता. But because I said I'm a bowler, they gave me a chance. We spent the last 45 minutes in the waters and wow, जब sunset होता है and आप beach में हो, पानी में हो, it almost feels like you and the sun are one. We've now ordered some food, some shakuti along with some mussel skewers. These are the mussels and they come with fries. Almost anything and everything in Goa comes with a side of fries. Here's our shakuti and some white rice. By the way, this is not dinner, okay? It's just a light snack. It's light work for us, Bobbies. This is the mussels.
It's like a prawn.
You say it looks like a prawn? Oh, so fresh. The combination of shakuti curry with rice, too good. The cookie that we bought earlier today is coming in clutch. We want to eat this cookie after this spicy meal. So let's enjoy it. All Things Sweetish, that's his brand name. They are relatively new. It's just a pop-up right now. And I think a pop-up is a great way for you to test your product. So he's probably trying out different things. His marshmallow had like 6-7 different flavors. His cookies had like 7-8 different flavors. We went for the standard single choco chip. But yeah, there were a lot of options. The flavors in the marshmallow were really good. The one I liked was coffee chocolate. A really nice aftertaste of coffee.
Very strong.
Very strong. Yeah, it did not sit well with her because she is allergic to coffee. Here comes the cookie from All Things Sweetish. How does that look, Bobbies? So fudgy, bro. So fudgy. Here's the marshmallow. Chocolate coffee flavor. Shefali can't eat any of it. It doesn't sit well with her. So I am going to full send it, Bobbies.
Bro.
What, bro? You want to eat?
One can eat.
No, please don't risk it. It triggers inflammatory response. Bro,
Only one.
I've seen how your body gets inflamed.
Half.
No,
Half.
one bite, that's all you get. Bro, that's more than half. Chef, it does not sit well with you. Why are you?
That's all. I want you.
Bruv, we eating nutties out here. Supermarket से खरीद रखा है. We,
You just never do in Bangalore.
right? It's almost like a vacation is a license to cheat.
Only on your diet.
My lovely Bobbies. Shefali and I have now changed to our dinner outfits. I mean, she's the one who's doing all the changes. I am to just wearing the same thing but in different color. And we are now heading out to this new place called as Tonsia. Fish curry and rice is here, and this looks like such a homely preparation. In fact, this entire place gives homely vibes. This is a bungalow, and they've just turned it into a restaurant. This is their garden, which they made into a sit-out area.
Tell them how we got to know about this place.
How did we get to know about this place?
I'll tell them.
Yeah, tell us.
So the other day we were drinking coconut water. I think y'all will see that in the vlog. The coconut water vendor told us that he owns a place nearby which sells like Goan food. So we thought we'd try it out, and it's just walking distance from where we're staying.
And that is the fish curry here at Tonsia. That's a good curry. It's much better than Traveler's Inn. It's very homely and probably the closest curry to pujas. So even with Goan food, there is huge variance. It can be Goan food by a Goan Hindu family. It can be Goan food by a Goan Portuguese family. So very different flavor profile depending on where you eat. This kingfish that I just took out from the curry, phenomenal. It's cooked to perfection. Did you try it, chef?
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's bang on. Bobbies, what a lovely comforting meal that was. But to end it, it has to be something sweet. So we are now headed to Baskin Robbins, where Soumya and Gurleen are waiting for us. That's right. These girls wanted to grab a dessert with us. They actually already ate dessert, but they're like, with ek aur dessert khana hai. So I suggested Baskin Robbins, and that's where we're headed to. Girls, welcome to the vlog. Again, 2 days in a row.
Yes, it's going sexy.
How was Cavatina?
It was good.
Good?
We love the desert though.
क्या खाया तुम लोगों ने?
I had something with chocolate,
I had the cheesecake.
cherry something, and it was,
We had that, na, the dark chocolate wala.
Yeah, oh my
Heavy
God.
था ना लेकिन.
yeah, it
बहुत
was very
है.
heavy. I left most of it.
Ah.
but it was
Bobbies, I'm trying Soumya's recommendation, which is tender coconut. Let's judge Soumya now. Harshly judge.
If you don't.
बढ़िया है. Really good. Does it go well with my Mississippi mud?
Not sure.
ये देख रहे हो guys, tender coconut with Mississippi. भगवान जी ने भी real life example भेज दिया. Tender coconut with Mississippi. Guys, Soumya is not feeling well, and I'm going to her hotel now. She is feeling extremely nauseous, lightheaded, and she needs immediate medical attention. Now the problem is we are in South Goa and there is no doctor nearby. The closest hospital is 20 minutes away and वो मडगांव में है. To get there, I'll have to take her on the scooty. हमारे पास कार भी नहीं है. So it's a pain in the ass right now, but it needs to be done. So guys, हम आए हैं Victor Hospital के emergency sector में because she needs immediate medical attention.